Hey there, science fans! Welcome back to another exciting journey into the wonders of biology. Today we're diving into the incredible world of meiosis, a process that is not only fascinating but also essential for life on Earth. This process is fundamental to life as we know it. Without meiosis, the rich tapestry of life, from the tiniest microorganisms to the largest mammals, wouldn't exist. It's how we get genetic diversity, which makes every living thing unique. This diversity is what allows species to adapt to changing environments and survive through generations. Imagine a world without different colors, shapes, or sizes. That's what life would be like without meiosis. Everything would be monotonous and identical, lacking the variety that makes our world so vibrant and resilient. So, what exactly is meiosis? It's a special type of cell division that produces gametes, which are crucial for sexual reproduction. Gametes are sex cells like sperm and eggs. These cells are unique because they carry only half the genetic information of a regular cell. This reduction in chromosome number is vital because it ensures that when sperm and egg unite, the resulting zygote has the correct amount of genetic material. They're special because they have only half the number of chromosomes as regular cells. Regular cells, known as diploid cells, contain two sets of chromosomes, one from each parent. In contrast, gametes are called haploid cells because they contain just one set of chromosomes. This distinction is crucial for maintaining genetic stability across generations. When a sperm and egg unite during fertilization, they form a zygote, the very first cell of a new organism. This zygote then undergoes numerous rounds of cell division to develop into a complex, multicellular organism. This zygote has the correct diploid number of chromosomes, half from the mother and half from the father. This intricate dance of chromosomes ensures that each new individual is a unique blend of their parents' genetic material. This genetic shuffling is what gives rise to the incredible diversity we see in the natural world. From the color of your eyes to the shape of a leaf, meiosis plays a key role in determining the traits of all living organisms. So next time you look in the mirror or marvel at the variety of life around you, remember that meiosis is the hidden process behind it all. It's a beautiful reminder of the complexity and wonder of life. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of meiosis. It's a two-part process, starting with meiosis I. Imagine a dance floor with chromosome pairs lined up. Each pair has one chromosome from the biological mother and biological father. In the first stage, Prophase I, chromosomes condense and become visible under a microscope. They're getting ready for the big split. Then, something amazing happens, crossing over. Think of crossing over like trading footy or Pokemon cards. Each chromosome is like a pack of cards with genes on them. During crossing over, homologous chromosomes swap sections of their DNA. This creates new combinations of genes on the chromosomes. It's like getting a brand new card you've never seen before. This swapping of genetic material is super important for genetic diversity. It shuffles the genetic deck, so to speak, ensuring that offspring inherit a unique combination of traits from both parents. After crossing over, the chromosome pairs line up at the center of the cell in metaphase I. This is a crucial step in the process of cell division, specifically during meiosis, where the genetic material is shuffled to ensure diversity in the offspring. The alignment at the cell's equator is precise and orderly, setting the stage for the next phase of division. Now here's where things get really interesting. The meticulous observation of these processes by scientists helps us understand the fundamental mechanisms of life. By studying cell division, researchers can uncover the secrets of genetic inheritance and variation. Remember, each pair has one chromosome from a mother and one a father. This combination of maternal and paternal chromosomes is what makes each individual unique. The genetic material from both parents is mixed and matched in countless ways, contributing to the genetic diversity of populations. They can line up in any random order. This random alignment is a key factor in genetic variation. Each time a cell divides, the chromosomes can arrange themselves differently, leading to a unique set of genetic instructions in the resulting cells. This is called independent assortment. Independent assortment is a fundamental principle of genetics, first described by Gregor Mendel. It explains how different genes independently separate from one another when reproductive cells develop. Let's say a cell has 2 pairs of chromosomes. In this simplified example, we can see how the independent assortment of these chromosomes can lead to different genetic outcomes. Each pair can align in multiple ways, creating a variety of possible combinations. There are 2 ways each pair can line up, resulting in 4 possible combinations of chromosomes in the daughter cells. This simple example illustrates the power of independent assortment in generating genetic diversity. In humans, with 23 pairs of chromosomes, the possibilities are astronomical. The number of potential combinations is so vast that it ensures no 2 individuals are genetically identical, except for identical twins. This incredible diversity is what drives evolution and adaptation in populations over time. After all that shuffling and lining up, the chromosome pairs are pulled apart in anaphase I. Each daughter cell receives 1 complete set of chromosomes. They're officially haploid. Then the cell divides, marking the end of meiosis I. But wait, there's more. The daughter cells go through a second round of division in meiosis II. This time, the sister chromatids, which are identical copies of each other, separate. The result? 4 haploid cells, each with a unique combination of genetic material. So why is all this genetic mixing so important? Imagine a field of corn where every plant is genetically identical. Now imagine a disease sweeps through. Since the plants are all the same, they'll all be equally susceptible, and the entire field could be wiped out. Genetic diversity acts like an insurance policy for a species. It ensures that some individuals will have the traits necessary to survive and reproduce, even in the face of challenges like disease, predators, or changing environments. Meiosis is a fundamental process that ensures the continuation and diversity of life. It's a type of cell division that reduces the chromosome number by half, creating 4 unique daughter cells, each genetically distinct from the parent cell. This process is crucial for sexual reproduction and occurs in all eukaryotic organisms, including animals, plants, and fungi. It's a complex dance of chromosomes, but the end result is simple: the creation of unique individuals with a blend of traits from both parents. During meiosis, homologous chromosomes pair up and exchange genetic material through a process called crossing over. This shuffling of genes ensures that each offspring has a unique combination of traits, contributing to the genetic diversity of a population. This genetic variation is what makes life so fascinating and resilient. It allows species to adapt to changing environments and survive challenges such as diseases and climate change. Without meiosis and the genetic diversity it generates, life on Earth would be much less varied and adaptable. So next time you see a litter of puppies or a field of wildflowers, remember the incredible process of meiosis that made it all possible. Each puppy, each flower is a testament to the power of genetic variation and the beauty of life's diversity. And that's meiosis in a nutshell. It's a remarkable process that not only drives evolution, but also ensures the survival and thriving of species across generations.
Want to rise to your full potential in your studies and revise like a boss? You can trust Study Guide Today to have you covered. Subscribe to this channel and see our website linked in the description of this video to see revision articles to maximize your study gains.